This is Larry Bonaroto from LarryOnLearning.com, and this is your Morning Minute. If not you, then who? That is the real question. In the movie Midway, Ray Spruance was visiting Admiral Halsey in the hospital. As Halsey was unavailable for active duty, he recommended Spruance, his cruiser commander, to take over command of his 3 aircraft carriers. When Spruance asked Halsey if his ailment had affected his judgment, Halsey shared, paraphrasing, quote, "Ray, when you're given the job to lead, lead." Someone chose you to lead. The person you are replacing was terminated or transferred. A huge problem occurred because that person lacked the ability to lead effectively, and the someone who chose you believes you can lead effectively. You have questions. How do I proceed? What if I fail? What if I succeed? What does success look like? What if the staff doesn't follow me? What if I have to rebuild the entire team? As someone who has many times been that person expected to turn around unproductive teams, allow me to share the basic process that has guided my success. First, ask the person who chose you these questions. A, in your view, what is the main issue causing the team's lack of performance? B, in your view, what does success look like both in the short term and the long term? C, what resources can I count on in order to turn this team around? Get specific answers, make notes, as this is how you will be judged. Second, address the team as a group. Share the expectations that you have for the team. Let them know you'll be doing one-on-one interviews with each team member over the next few days. Let them know that their input is important and that in these discussions, the information they share with you will remain private if that is what they prefer. Third, in your one-on-one discussions, ask the same basic open-ended questions of everyone. Encourage them to share both their feelings and experiences. A, how would you describe the problems keeping the team from meeting its goals? B, what recommendation do you have to help the team get back on track? C, what part will you play in helping the team reach its goal? And D, may I count on you to be a part of the solution, not a part of the problem? Take notes. These will be very helpful going forward. Fourth, devise your plan with specific milestones to help you move this team forward. The plan must be designed in order to meet and or exceed all team expectations. Communicate both the plan and these milestones with your supervisor. That person can be a great asset for you if he or she knows what you're doing and what to expect. And fifth, execute your plan. Lead. Get the buy-in from the team members. People want to participate in a winning team. Show them how to win, be decisive, and lead. Remember, this is your opportunity to excel, bringing your team, your boss, and yourself the opportunity to win. So I ask again, if not you, then who? And that is today's Morning Minute.